Sorry, guys. Hey, guys. Just Jared again. And this is on my channel, on my dad's tablet. This is kind of weird, but, I don't know what to do, but I've never ran a YouTube video, but anyways, we are gonna, show you my BB gun collection. I don't have a lot. My light's busted. Got to edit some of this stupid crap out. Anyways, we will be... That's better. Anyways, guys, we will be trying to show you some of my BB guns. I'm not going to shoot them. My parents are sleeping. It is dark. It's night sky. You got this pump shotgun. You got the pump action shotgun. It's kind of hard for you to see it. See, it works pretty fine. And there's these little secret chamber. It's pretty dark. You won't be able to see it. This chamber. You can't see it like this, but then it's right here. This is the M590. This is an M950. This is an M9. This is an M590. These are my two favorites. I have this gun. It is not like rapid fire, but it's a one shot. But you can make this into more than a one shot, but you can't keep rapidly firing it. Okay, here. This is one shot. Left is more than one. This is like five shot bullet. And this is the one shot. Sorry, I don't. This is the Marines SR01. The SR01. Sorry, my thing. It's sad because this broke off. Anyways, it's pretty awesome. So, shoot it. So anyways, that's two. I have 3 guns. This is the best. It's the most rapid fire. It's an awesome pistol. This is the SP01. The SR01 is randomly close to this. Throw it up to 10, 15 BBs. And in this one, there is no secret chamber. Literally, no secret freaking chamber. That freaking sucks. But it is, it's by the Marines again. And it's an SP01. The SP01, so. And you just pull this. It comes right out. That button. Sorry, this is taking so long. I like making these kind of videos. Oh, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye, guys.